My top 5 must-watch penny stocks. Ticker symbol TTO hit 52-week lows of 46 cents a week ago. However, the stock managed to rebound since then. Also, the daily trading volumes over the last 2 sessions are higher than those over the last 40 days. Recent headlines focus on the company's Q4 and full year 2022 performance, beating sales and EPS estimates. Throughout 2022, the T2 Biosystem team generated a record sepsis and related product revenue, and expanded the installed base of T2X instrument contracts. We also advanced our product pipeline, positioning T2 Biosystems to expand our test menu in 2023. We look forward to continuing this momentum to advance our 3 corporate priorities, accelerating our sales, advancing our operations, and enhancing our pipeline to support long-term growth. Stated Chairman and CEO of T2 Biosystems, John Sperzel. The company expects total sepsis and related product revenue to hit $11 to $13 million this year, which would represent a 31 to 55% growth compared to $8.4 million in 2022. Ticker symbol LSCR announces intent to explore strategic alternatives. James G. Hall, President and Chief Executive Officer of Lifecore, explained, "The management team and the board intend to explore viable options that will maximize value for our stockholders. Regardless of the process or outcome, Lifecore will remain committed to serving our customers, supporting our employees, and growing our business. We operate in a dynamic industry that is underpinned by growing demand for specialized CDMO services, which Lifecore is well positioned to capitalize on today, and in the years ahead with more than 40 years of expertise developing complex products." Since the recent news, LSCR has made a solid rebound from its $1.52 lows. This week, analysts at Barrington Research adjusted the outlook on the company. They lowered their price target to $8 and maintained an outperform rating on the stock. That price target is about 140% higher based on current levels. Ticker symbol HUT, the price of Bitcoin has been hot lately, also driving bullish momentum to other cryptocurrencies. Companies with exposure to blockchain technology development and cryptocurrency mining has gained attention in the stock market this month. HUT being one of these companies, its stock share price climbed from lows of $1.21 on March 10th to highs over $2. Besides the sympathy momentum from the crypto market, traders are also paying close attention to the progress of HUT's potential merger. The company provided more details on the business combination with US Bitcoin Corp. Plans to effect an all-stock merger of equals. One of the hurdles being the waiting period under the Hart-Scott-Rodino Antitrust Improvements Act of 1976 concerning the company's proposed business combination. That has since expired, which satisfies one of the closing conditions of the transaction. Hopes seem high for HUT based on recent analyst coverage. Canaccord Genuity maintains a buy rating on the stock. Despite lowering its price target of $5, that's still more than 150% higher based on current levels. Ticker symbol PTRA, stock share price plummeted due to negative news. PRTA, a company that designs zero-emission electric transit vehicles and EV tech solutions, announced a wider than expected loss. Also warning of a liquidity issue and reported revenue guidance below analyst estimates. But a few weeks later, the company is back in a brighter light thanks to news that it reached a letter of intent with certain convertible note holders. PTRA stock has bounced back about 70% since the earnings update. The last few sessions have been some of the most active for the stock in 2023. Ticker symbol CLSK, whether you're looking for technology penny stocks or AI penny stocks, the industry as a whole has gotten a boost recently amid the banking crisis. Also, the growing interest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, and the excitement surrounding ChatGPT and other AI platforms blazing a new trail in the market. CleanSpark is a Bitcoin mining business and just stocked up on new mining machines this quarter. It purchased 20,000 new Antminer units for about $32.3 million. CleanSpark expects to deploy the new fleet across its facilities with delivery expected by May. The company reported at the end of February that it mined 576 Bitcoin. And with Bitcoin on the rise, it could be a great sign for CLSK. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful.